Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm making a salad which is a Middle Eastern salad, so in my version. So I'm going to chop this up first. So let's start chopping. First, let me start with cucumber. So let me start with this. Next, this is bell pepper. This only 2 slices enough. This much is enough. I don't want much, so I'm just adding a little bit. And 1 green. This one is only this much is enough. Next, I'm going to chop some green and red chilies. Next, onion. Now my chopping is done. Now let's do the mixing part, the exciting part. So this is all the vegetables that I've chopped just now. Now the final ingredients. So I have roasted some peanut. So I'm just gonna add like this. This, and now some fresh mint. And then some coriander and pomegranate, just a little bit. Now the dressing, lime juice, fresh lime juice. So this much is enough for me. If you like more tangy, then you can add more. So I'll add some black pepper, a little bit, and salt, and lastly olive oil. This is enough. So let's mix. Yeah, and all done, ready to eat. So this is my version of Middle Eastern salad. So the salad is done, so let me plate it up. So it's all done now. This is my version of Middle Eastern salad. So if you enjoy my recipe, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.